walking around Legoland and I want to show you them. The first thing that I'm pulling out isn't something I bought. I won it from a game. I won this little panda from a game. And then I bought a pink Legoland sword. And I bought this pink Legoland shield with a little heart, jewel heart, and then, oh, and if you didn't see this at the beginning, I got a first visit to Legoland badge, the little penguin on it, and then I got three Lego blind bags. I don't know which one I really want. I really want that one or puppy corn. Because puppy corn looks cool. Finally, I got it out. I wonder which one I got. I got... This one doesn't even look like it's on the package. I think I got puppy corn. So this is the puppy corn I got. He's cute. He has little golden spots on him. His eyes are golden. He looks way different from the normal puppy corn. So again, if you didn't see, I got this one. He's number 9. So yeah, I'm gonna open up one more. It's gonna be this minifig one. It's this party one. This one I successfully got open, so I'm excited to see which one I got. I got the cactus one. Why does life have to do this to me? So there's this face and this face. I'll just do, see there's this, there's this face and this face. I'll put on this face. And then we have her legs. And then her cactus top. She's a little cactus. Now I gotta stand her on her stand. Well, I didn't really get the one I wanted, but what's cool about Legoland, I could take it into the park and I could ask to trade with one of the employees. And when you go to Legoland Hotel, you get to do another awesome thing. It's a scavenger hunt. And then there's, in every room there's this chest with a little Lego creature on it. And it has a lock. And the numbers you have on this paper is going to be the code, and there's something inside. And now I'm going to go do it, and then after I do this scavenger hunt, I see what's in here. I'm going to open my Lego Movie 2 blind bag. Let's go. right. There. So this is what I got out of there. I got this. And a Lego comic. It's just like, I love Legos so much, so I'm probably going to be reading this. So let's see what these are, because they look exactly the same. Okay, so I have this little penguin girl. I can't really get out, but here she is. Oh, there's her skis. And I'm trying to get the girl out. Get out. You cannot stand here in your whole life. Okay, there. Now I got her out. Now I'm just gonna put her pink skis on. This is the same because I do have a sister, and she could have it. This is exactly the same. Yep, it's exactly the same. So that means me and my sister get one, which is really cool. I wonder why they would put both of the same things in one thing. Weird. And now I have my last flying bag, the Lego Movie 2. I've been feeling around in this. I think I have Wild Styles. So let me open it. If I have Wild Styles, I'm going to be so happy. Because Wild Styles is like my favorite character out of the Lego movies. So this is the one I got. It's the line from Wizard of Oz.